Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik and in this video I am going to show you the inside walkthrough of BookBolt software. BookBolt is very amazing software for finding keywords, niches, and there are many tools within this tool. So it contains, you can see here, products, sellers, cloud, book scout, and in this video I am going to cover all the tools, almost all the tools in this software. So before doing this, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and also smash the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. So let's get started. This is here the when you first log in the BookBolt software, you will be presented with these tutorials. These are the tutorials about every tool within this suite of tools, BookBolt suite. So this is product search, seller search, favorites, and there are tutorials on every software, every tool within this suite. So I am going to show you few of them, 5 to 6 of them, the main tools I have used and I found helpful. The first one is products. So I have already opened this. When you open products, here you can type any keyword and here is the category. You can select notebook, you can select journal, music sheets, calendar, planner, journal. I have selected notebook and here in the keyword section I typed funny cat and it showed me following things. Keywords funny cat, total results. So there are 32 results and average bestseller rank is 2024335. 224,335. Lowest price is 4.99. The highest price is 15.87. Average price is 7.97. This is crucial, but you can stick with 6.99 as well. And the category is notebook. Here it shows the keyword count. Keywords count, what does it mean? It means how many times this keyword has been used in listings. In all these 32 listings, these are 32 results, cat has been used 96 times, notebook has been used 90 times, journal has been used 57 times. This is the frequency of keywords that has been repeated in different titles. On here are related keywords. It also shows the related keyword regarding to your keyword and your category. This is very useful tool for finding new niches and new keywords. It also shows the search results. You can see search volume is very low for these keywords. It shows you low competition keywords. And here it shows you the main products, individual products, their ASINs, their description. You can, when you click on show, it will show you the description. From here you can add it to favorites and it will be here. It will go here in the favorites if you click on the heart icon. So you can go later on and do your search again. So this was the product section. The other tool is seller. I have opened this in new tab already. In the seller, you can search any name of a seller, KDP publisher. You can go on to Amazon, and if you have found a seller that has been selling books, then you can spy on them, find their keywords. So I have typed a random keyword, a very famous seller, that is Pretty Simple Press, and it showed me that it has 19 listings or 19 products. Average bestsellers rank is shows 0. I don't know why it is showing 0. It may be they have very good average bestseller rank, that is why it is showing near to 0. Lowest price is 5.97, highest price is 6.99, average price is 6.73. What does it mean? It means you can stick with 6.99. So again, it shows the frequency of keywords used. Kids has been used 28 times, girls has been used 22 times, school 20 times, notebook 8 times. Here you can make the combination of you can make low competition keywords by combining these keywords. So on downward here it also shows you the relevant keywords. Most of them are these products may be ranking for this keywords, but it is actually the related keywords. It is giving you the ideas for your new books. Pretty Simple Planner 2019 2020 Pretty Simple, these are actually relevant to these. So here on you can also check their individual products by clicking on it shows the description, publishing date, and it shows the bestsellers rank. It also shows the estimated sales, that is 732 I think per day. Yeah, it seems it is selling 700 copies per day. So because I can see the average bestseller rank is very good, very extremely good. This is killing. And here there is bestseller rank of 600,000, 6,800, I don't know, 35 copies. These may be monthly sales. So in this way you can spy on other sellers. This was the second tool. The third one is Cloud. What does Cloud do? It does is it shows you the top 100 books for any specific keyword. You can keyword is optional. For any specific category, it shows you top 100 books. I have selected notebook and I have selected bestseller range of 1 to 500,000. You can also change here, like dragging this to 300,000 like that, and you can also decrease the price range to 6.99 if you are looking for a book of between, I have selected 7. So keyword is optional. I have typed unicorn, I have selected notebook category and then click on search. It will take some time and it will show you the data below. So just scroll down. It shows you the main titles, ranking in top 100 in the notebook category and using this keyword unicorn. So these are all the books, top 100 books in the notebook category under unicorn. You can change your keyword and do a different research. It also shows you the price, bestseller rank, estimated monthly sales, average bestseller ranks, estimated moving average sales. What it does mean, I don't know. So you can also click on the show button and you can see their description as well. And you can, if I click on this type image, it is not, if I click on this shows you the bestsellers price history. Okay, it shows you the history, how it is doing in the past. So now next, if we click on heart icon, it will add it to favorites on here. So if I click on the title, it will show me the actual book on the Amazon website. So this was our Cloud. The fourth is Book Scout. Book Scout is reverse engineering of already published product. Here you will input the ISBN of independently published book, not a brand or anything else. It shows you the instruction here. It says make sure the publisher is either independently published or create space independent publishing platform. You have got 24. You can search 25 books at a time. So I have found, let me show you. I went to Amazon and here I searched notebook independently published and here I just copied the ASIN, and then I pasted here and then click search, and it will take some time like 30-second, 20-second, and if you are doing it first time it may take 1 minute or so. So it will show you the data about this book, the description, the title, and here are the keyword. This book is ranking for these keywords. This is very important data, and you can also see the rank, and also you can see the other total number of competitors. There are 13,384 competitors for this particular keyword, and the search volume for this keyword is 5,947. You can click on these toggle buttons to select the lowest search volume, or you can see this is the low competition keyword, only one competitor, and the keyword is memory foam insert forward, a very strange keyword. And glossy SN tips cover, this is another keyword, and there are search volume is 23 on the Amazon store. This is not Google searches, this is the estimated Amazon searches search volume. And below there are many keywords. You can actually click on the toggle buttons, and this rearranges the data in terms of lowest to highest and highest to lowest, or vice versa. You can click here total number of items. If I click on here again, and it shows me the low competition, mean where there are only one competitor. So in this way I can find very low competition keyword. This is very useful feature of this keyword book vault, that is Book Scout. Now let's move on to the next one, and the next one is, I have opened it again. No, I don't want this again, just close it. The next one is Keyword Finder. You just need to click here and just scroll down, and here you will see keywords, and just click on the keyword and it will show you this. Here you can type any keyword and click search, and this search will give you the data. I have typed mindfulness journal, and it gives me most frequent keywords. These keywords are being used most frequently with relevancy to these keywords. So I can again, this is the Amazon search volume, this is Google search volume, this is cost per click for advertising purpose, and this is the competition. If I click on this toggle button, switch, this will show me the lowest volume, and the lowest volume is 31, and for this Google searches 50 Google searches, and competition is high. I need competition low, so I will click on this one, and this will show me no data, means no competition at maybe very low competition. You need to scroll down and you will see there are some medium keyword, medium competition, then very high competition. So if you type another keyword like unicorn, I will type unicorn notebook, and it will show me the data. You need to spend some time and familiarize yourself with this software. This is very cool software, very good software, and we will also look at the pricing as well. I think it is $9 or $10 per month, subscription based, and it shows you the keywords and many other features. So, and you can also have access to an estimated Amazon search volume, which shows you the demand, very high demand for this keyword, that is unicorn notebook journal, 9,140 Amazon searches. There are no Google searches, and it doesn't show any competition data. So you need to play around with the keyword, and you will be presented with different type of results every time, and not every time, I mean with different keyword, different result depending upon the keywords. So in this way, this is very cool thing, most frequent keywords. Here you can find mostly used keywords. You can also see the relevant products. Here in this way you can find low competition keyword. Just if you are not sure about the competition part, then you can simply copy here, copy this keyword and go to Amazon and paste it here. And you can also go for more longer tail keywords and you can see the number of results. This is very low competition keyword, 524 results only. But this is set. We don't need set. We need a keyword, simple keyword like unicorn notebook with pen, unicorn notebook, unicorn composition notebook. Just search this one, copy and paste, and I want to recheck the number of results. This is 1000, over 1000. This is more competitive. So this is another useful feature to find some relevant keywords, long tail keywords. You can see. The next one is categories. This is my favorite. Although all these features are, all tools are my favorite, but this is specifically, this one is my favorite. I just go and find categories for any of my books. If I am struggling with the process of finding categories, then I just go to Bookbolt. Here I just scroll down and here I click on the categories and it shows me this category browser. I just type keyword like coloring book and it shows me the categories. Most of the time these are. It also shows the relevancy, category name, category path and relevancy. You can go and type notebook. No, there is no searches for this. If I type, there is something wrong with this. Like this. If I type mindfulness, it is not working. It may be a temporary error. No, it shows the result. No, non-fiction, body, mind, spirit, mindfulness and meditation. So this is very useful tool. So on the whole, this Bookbolt is very good tool, very good tool for low and no competition publishing. But again, this is not a must. If you are a beginner, if you don't have budget, then it is better to do manual research, manually make a habit of finding niches manually on the Amazon and on other print on demand services. But tools make your life easier. So if you want to find keywords and niches and categories very quickly, then you should use this this tool as well. It is subscription based and it costs you $9 per month. There is another tool that is KDP Spy. This is Chrome extension, and what it does is it shows you the keywords right on Amazon. For example, I have typed notebook independently published. After doing my search on Amazon, I will click on this Chrome extension, that is KDP Spy from Bookbolt. Then I will click on keywords and it will find relevant keyword to my seed keyword. I type this keyword and it has shown me the list of relevant keywords. So this is Amazon search volume, Google search volume and CPC. These are some keywords, and you can also save these keywords, and these saved keywords will transfer here in the favorites. Here your favorites, products, keywords will show here and categories will show here if you add anything into favorites. So this is Books By. You can also go on to search and then again start You can also click on reset, and reset means when you click on go on to search button and click on start, it will show you the all keywords and products relevant to your seed keyword that you have entered into the Amazon search bar. It shows you many keywords and data according to your search. So this is also showing you average number of sales, average number of reviews, average bestseller rank, average price. So overall this is very useful tool. I will recommend, if you have budget, then you should use this one. Many features and many tools here, and it costs you around, let me check the pricing, I think 9, it was Bookbolt.io, and I will check the pricing. Here is pricing. And when another cool thing about about subscribing to their monthly plan is you will have access to their pro templates. Let me show you. It shows you the interior wizard, and here if you are a free member you can download a limited number of templates, but if you are a pro member, you have monthly subscription, then you will be able to have access to these members only interiors as well. So on the whole, this is very cool tool. You should be aware, you should subscribe this if you have budget only. If you don't have budget, then do your manual search and hone your research skills manually. So this is all from me today. I will leave a link to this Bookbolt in the description of this video, and also I will give you a 20% discount code as well. So if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.